this beautiful guy right here is a milk snake. Absolutely beautiful specimen. I'm going to tell you all about this guy in just a few moments. So click like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll be right back with the rest of this video. Alright guys, so this little guy is definitely a milk snake. Not a scarlet king snake, I know that because his bands don't go all the way around. The thing with the milk snake, there are at least 24 varieties. Now this guy is actually considered a king snake. It's in the genus Lampropeltis. And these guys, they breed in the summer. They lay eggs they lay eggs in the summer and they hatch out in early fall. And when I'm doing this video right now, this is in June, so I guess this guy is probably maybe 7 or 8 months old.
There are actually 25 subspecies, and they are found in North and South America.
Yep, and some of the species can get up to, what, 70 inches long?
That's cool. I read they eat rodents, lizards, and other snakes. And they can be found above ground, active during the daytime, but are more often found under things like rocks, boards, and leaf litter.
Yeah, they like to hide out in debris.
They like to be hidden.
Yeah. I have also read that they really enjoy sandy or sandy loam soils.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, which
Oh no!
No, buddy.
He's searching for one of them sandy soils right now.
Yeah. I'm gonna let you go really soon. All right. So I have read that he likes sandy soil, sandy loam soil, which I did not see anything about him being a burrowing snake, but I wonder why he likes the sandy soil if he spends most of his time above ground. Maybe so that the debris that he's in is well drained, because the sandy soil or sandy loam would be. So,
I read that he likes to be under rocks and stuff.
Oh, under rocks?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, all right, so grab the camera and let's put them. Now you can do the video. Go ahead and move your foot without hurting him. No, don't reposition, just move your foot. You found that debris to hide in.
Yeah, that top layer of leaf litter.
I wonder if he's still moving through or if he's just hanging out right here. I figured that he kept moving. He'll be way over here by now.
He was moving towards this grass here. There he is.
There he is. All right.
Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad.
Well, guys, thanks for watching. I guess that's going to be all for this video. See you next time.
Bye. Like, share, and subscribe.